Okay, boys, got an 80 for an 80 swap. Love to see it. This one's gonna be easy. It's for that restoration job where the water line broke and came down on top of everything. But he ended up dying shortly after we came out and gave our recommendation for a new one. Go figure. All right, let's go through this mess here. Crazy stuff, crazy stuff. All right. Easy. Alrighty. Got our mounts. Boom, lift you up. Got the new one. Set, rotating that duct because it works better coming down straight. Yeah. Had to put a line in because I don't know what's going on here, but I'm not messing with it. They need some work done. But it's an insurance job, so you know, we can only do what we were paid to do. No upselling. Alright. You see it, humidifier's on, comes around, not much change there. Riser, coil adapter, because I wasn't doing ductwork today. Just gotta seal everything up, get the vent pipe done, and we're out of here. A little orange, it's dusty in here. Doing the drain, patch up the return, or money. Easy. I love an 80 for an 80 swap. They're so easy. We got the plumber here. He's like so far found 5 or 6 different cracks in water lines and blew the shower cartridge out in one room upstairs. Awesome. Awesome. There was ice all the way down here. The insurance company didn't approve the water heater yet, so I